In this video, I will teach you that how you can recreate a subject in multiple camera perspectives using Nano Banana Pro. So you have an image or photo of yourself, and now you need like multiple camera angles and perspectives, or you can say. So how you can do this using Google Gemini? So it's very easy. You can add file, like let me upload the files from here, and you can see I uploaded this file. Let me show you this one. So now click on create image, and here we will describe the image. So the prompt is very easy, so I will type here and you will learn it. So recreate the subject from uploaded reference image in 4 distinct camera perspectives and maintain consistent facial features and just a minute, yes, body proportions also, because definitely it will show different angles. So we need to tell in the prompt to maintain the consistent facial features, body proportions, and also clothing details across all variations, so ensuring the subject's identity remains clearly recognizable in each view. So we click on this submit button, and it will recreate this subject, this my image, into multiple camera perspectives. So this is an incredible thing you can do now in Google Gemini Pro. See, it looks amazing, the result you can see. And let me show you my image that we uploaded. See, this was the image. This is the image, and now here you can see you can see the facial features and everything, how it is matching. See, incredible results. And 4 perspectives, we can see 4 different camera angles here. So this is a very good thing now you can do in Nano Banana Pro, using Nano Banana Pro in Google Gemini. So I hope you have learned a lot in this video, that how you can recreate a subject in multiple camera angles or perspectives using the Nano Banana Pro. So subscribe to my channel, share the video with your friends, press the bell icon so you will get the notifications of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much once again.